Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share my simple beef with broccoli, only 2 ingredients at budget friendly. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. So ayan, magsusutay lang ako ng onions. So yung beef actually, naluto na siya kanina. Pinalambot ko na yan. So, niready ko na rin talaga siya. So, para madali na lang siyang lutuin. So, ayan guys. Kailangan ko na talagang lutuin ang aking broccoli kasi malapit na siyang mag-yellow. So, wala lang kasi akong time. So, ayan. Niluto ko na lang siya. So, maglalagay lang ako syempre ng oyster sauce. Isa yan sa pinaka-main seasoning, of course. Ground pepper. And brown sugar also. And also my sweet soy sauce. Yan lang talaga ang pinaka-seasoning ko. Hindi na rin ako syempre naglagay ng salt kasi baka maging salty pa siya. So, ayan, maglalagay lang ako ng konting-konting water. Ayan, so, para may konting sauce lang yan. And then, actually, this is almost done and ready to serve. Ayan na guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye!